Okay, hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Please subscribe and please like. Now I want to show you it's been 2 hours and 46 minutes after the NFP. As I told you that the NFP likes to be rejective, so I've already exited my trades. The first video when I made it, we were currently in this candle. I entered only GBP NZD. Now, as you know, it's what I was trading, but I just added some other trades to scalp. This was the candle in and during NFP, and then the next hour, as you can see, the next hour, then the candle in 1 hour, guess what? It was red, meaning it was the opposite of the current of the first candle. As I said, NFP likes to be rejective. Now look what we have. GBP NZD, I told you the bigger time frame is saying downtrend. So if we go up, we go up only for a short time. So after today, guys, I don't know, maybe you're gonna see me or hear from me in the month of March. I don't know, but after today I won't be sharing any video for a space of maybe a month. And then guess what? Okay, this is still the same hour here. Let us go to 4 hour. Okay, 1 hour here, and then let us go to 4 hour this side. Now, as you can see, in 4 hour, this is what happens. I told you that even though it looked like the market broke out here, go listen to the video that is before this one. I told you this could be a false breakout, and it is proving to be a false breakout because the market is now back inside the channel. The market is now back inside the channel, going down as it should. Okay, let me remove these arrows, and also let me show you this. Can you see here? Okay, let me zoom this one out as well so that you see it rejected here. The market rejected here on this meaning it respected the trend line. Can you see we have a trend line here? I drew it. It respected the trend line, and immediately after that it gave you a signal. I told you the market will give you a signal. When it turns, it won't just turn. Now you might be asking yourself, and then since we have down here and then we have an up here, what do we do? I told you that the direction of the market is down. If you are going to trade with me, or you are going to purchase this system with me, I'm going to tell you, for starters, take only these kind of signals where there is a big selling signal there, and also there is a big selling signal this side. That is the kind of signals you are focused on. You don't take other signals which I won't instruct you to take. And also, when you are setting your system, you won't have all these confusing arrows. It's just because I know my system and I'm trading with it, knowing how it works already. So you would have avoided this one, or else if you take this one, you take this one simply because you are scalping, because it's a retracement. I've been saying, go and listen to all my videos. You are trading because it's a counter trend, it's a retracement. Now after the market got to that trend line, it will continue with the trend. So if you want to be profitable, always trade in line with the trend, guys. Always trade in line with the trend. That is the only way to become consistent and profitable. Now in H4, let me show you only H4 because I want to show you something. You see, it looks like it's going up. Reason why it looks like it's going up, look at this trend line I have here. This trend line is coming from a weekly time frame. This trend line, it was broken here, and now it is retesting. As you can see, the retesting is proving to be successful. So the market, it will continue and shoot down. Either to this zone and go up a little and then continue down up until here. See, you don't have to take these trades. You don't have to take these trades which are against the trend, but if you know how to take them, then you can scalp them. This is the trade you will wait for, because there's a signal that will appear here at this demand. Can you see? At this demand, there's a signal that will appear here, an arrow up, and then also here, look, this is a zone here, guys. This is a zone. Can you see? This is a zone, but don't worry, the system will draw the zone when the market gets to that place. This is a zone, and even if you go to the left, you can see that this zone is coming from here. This zone is coming from here, so that is why the market will move down to here and go back up. It is retesting this area and it will continue down. So you only wait for the arrow that will appear here, the down arrow that will appear here. If the down arrow doesn't appear here and the market breaks up, you don't act. You wait for the market to do what you are expecting. One thing you must know about trading, you are not seeking to predict the market. You don't predict the market, but you look at what the market is doing and you follow what the market is doing. For instance, this is my daily. Can you see in my daily, this trend line, it was for the uptrend. The uptrend appeared because, also look at daily. You see, there was this big arrow here signaling an up, and then also there is this one signaling an up. This is what you would consider. There is this one at the trend line signaling an up, and what happened here? The trend line was broken, and after, now the market is retesting the trend line, guys. What is happening here? The market is retesting, not the trend line, I'm sorry, the support. It is retesting the support, because now the support has become a resistance. You know, when the support is broken, it becomes a resistance. When a resistance is broken, it becomes a support. Then it will be retested. Let me again remove all these things that will confuse you. Now look what we're having. We're having this pattern here. This is the trend line signaling a downtrend in H1. And what do we have in H1 here? Can you see? We have the bigger signal for down. You see this one, you take it. Okay, in daily it's a different story. You don't have to come here, because the strategy I'm gonna give you, you are going to focus only on H4 and H1. So this is me explaining to you my analysis. And now look, after this arrow, what happened? After this arrow, this is what happened. Can you see? This is what happened. Now this arrow appeared here. Now it was a buying arrow, which is against the trend, but it was the retest also. So it went up. Maybe you would not have taken this one because you don't want to risk. And then guess what? Recently we got this arrow here. What are we expecting? We are expecting to go down, to be safe. You go down to this zone. To be safe, you go down to this zone here. You go down to this zone, because the market, when it gets to this trend line, it might go up again to this upper trend line, only to go down, or rather the market will break and retest the trend line that it has been broken, and continue down. You see? So guys, this is just me trading Forex using my system, brilliant trading tips, and also Forex emergency help. God bless you guys. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share this video if you can. This system, if you are interested to purchase it, is only $100 US. We are currently running a special for $70 US up until the 5th of February. For now, we are in sale. We are running a special. God bless you. Like and share. Bye bye.